Look at this real quick. Stay tuned. What's happening, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. So I'm working on my boy again, my 2021 Ram 2500 diesel. Now, I don't know, I mean, this is not like a super special model or anything, but damn, you would think these cars would actually come with a light under the hood. There literally is none, and I'm like, wow. So anyway, I picked this up off of Amazon. It's actually a dual hood light strip, which is actually pretty cool. I'm gonna put up a video. I actually got a hood light for my STI a long time ago. I installed it. You guys could go check that out. The link will be right above. But this costs like 20 bucks. Comes with almost enough wire, an inline fuse, and it actually comes with this little gem right here. It actually comes with a hood pin. Like, my truck has holes that I can install this on, but here's the problem. I can't get access to it because it's actually all sealed beams. So what I did was, there's a part right over here with a very, very thin strip of metal. I put a hole in here with a 3/8 bit, and that'll fit fine right there. See this washer right here? This is the washer that's gonna help ground it. So all you're gonna have to do is put this spade terminal into the bottom here and hook it up. Now guys, I wanna show you something, this is important. How do you know if you have a good ground? Take your tester, put it on the positive terminal off the battery. Now notice if I tap right here, the tester's not lighting up. But look when I tap with the hole I just drilled. The reason why is I burred the actual paint off the metal, and now this is actually a good ground. You get what I'm saying? So, food for thought. Now guys, obviously, if you notice right here, I put one over here as some time lapse, ran the wire over the that thermal heat pad that absorbs the heat. Put the other one over here, and I mean, the 3M tape sticks pretty good. I think the only thing I'm gonna have to do is extend both of these wires right here. That's the only thing I'm gonna have to do, because I want to have enough wire to tuck it in and hide it or whatnot. I don't want it hanging where people could see it. Okay, so that's really it. And guys, obviously test the product to make sure it works first. I already tested mine. That's important. As I said, it actually has almost enough wire, especially because I'm running it all the way over here. And guys, my hood is bigger than most. I mean, obviously my truck is pretty broad, so for, I think, a car, this would be fine. But this is definitely gonna do me some justice when I pop this hood, at night. Like, for instance, I was coming from a show 2 weeks ago all the way out in Jersey, and I had to look under the hood because I got my antifreeze bottle apparently had a slight leak. And I mean, when you pull over at a parking ride and you're 5 hours away from home and you open the hood and it's freaking pitch black under here, as I said, this will actually do you some justice. Okay, so pretty much this kit has literally everything you need, actually, and also comes with zip ties as well, so that'll actually come in handy. I just want to show you this before my battery dies. Look at this. This is just a mock-up of what I did. Now watch when I press this. Look. So it actually works. All right, guys. Just finished it. So once you open, can't wait to show this at night. So obviously I just got to clip these zip ties here real quick, ran everything under here, come down, I got to clip this zip tie, and I put wire loom pretty much over everything. The negative is in here, down in there. Just make sure use a, you have to, this is the adjuster for the height of the pin. That's the height of the hood pin. So what you got to do is once you screw in the bottom screw, the washer is on the top, okay, touching the scratched up surface. Take a little, like a needle nose pliers, hold this nut right here while you turn this one here, and that'll help you tighten it. But you have to adjust the bottom one to figure out how high you need it, if you get what I'm saying. Once my hood shuts, the lights turn off. And let me show you. I'm gonna put this right here so you can see it. See that right there? As soon as I press, as I'm about to close it, it's off. Once I let go, it's on. Watch again. Get what I'm saying? So I didn't even need to close it fully in order to illustrate to you. Now, obviously, the positive wire is run over here, down here, connected right here to the battery. The good thing, there's an inline fuse right there. In case anything wants to happen, it's gonna blow and prevent any damage to the battery or the accessories. So I'm gonna be back later so we can see this shit at night. Okay, later. All right, guys, as promised, I'm back to show you how, well, I'm gonna be surprised as well because I don't know how bright it is. So I just came back from my daughter's practice. It's pretty late, it's dark outside. So let's see how bright this underhood light is. Pop the hood. So now, once you pop the hood, you can see the light peeping through. Now I want to show you something. Now you can see the light, right? And I want to show you how good the pin is and how I set it. Once I start pressing the hood to close it, look, it turned off. See that? Now let's see how bright this bad boy is. Dang, that is freaking beautiful. Look at this. You could actually see inside of the engine bay. This is what I'm talking about. That is freaking beautiful, man. You can't beat that. For $20, you can't beat it. Now, what I would suggest is right before this inline fuse, you cut the positive wire and run a switch in between it, a simple 2-prong switch. The reason for that is because if you have the hood open for an extended amount of time, now it's literally controlled at the mercy of the pin right here. And look how nice and steady that is. It's controlled by the mercy of the pin. So if you have it open like me, today I was tinkering under this hood. I was installing high beams. I had to take out the ram air system, clean up down where the turbo is, things like that. I had this hood open today for at least 2 to 3 hours. So plus installing this. So let's say you were doing something for an extended amount of time. You don't want these lights to be on, even though they're LEDs and they're not drawing that much power. It's still 12 volts, you know, combined. So you don't want it, you don't want that unnecessary power draw. So that switch is gonna help you just kill the power to it until you're ready again, which is fine. Or let's say you took the car to like the dealership or whatever the case might be, whom I hate. I'm just saying, if you were to do that, you have your car somewhere you don't know and they have your hood open, you don't want this open for an extended amount of time. So before your car goes to the dealership or whatever, you just flick the switch, kill the power, and you're straight. But look how beautiful. This is really, really bright, man. This is bright. I like it a lot. So guys, definitely like, subscribe, comment. Amazon again for the win. It's gonna be in a link in the description. Hope you guys found some value in this, and I will talk to you guys soon. Take it easy.